In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image inside a cell in Google Sheets. Let's dive right in, and you'll see just how simple this process can be. First, the very first thing you need to do is identify the image you'd like to place within your Google Sheet. This image can be found anywhere on the web, so go ahead and search for the one you wish to use. Once you have your image, right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, look for an option that says either Copy Image Address or Copy Image URL. Selecting one of these will copy the direct web address of the image to your clipboard, which is essential for the steps ahead. Now that you have the image URL safely copied, move on over to your Google Sheets. Open up your document where you would like the image to appear. In the cell you have in mind for the image, you'll be entering a special formula. This is where the magic happens. Use the formula, equals image, then open a parenthesis, and, inside quotation marks, paste the URL you've copied. So essentially, it looks a bit like this, equals image, parenthesis, quotation mark, then the URL you just copied, followed by another quotation mark, and a closing parenthesis. This formula is what tells Google Sheets to fetch the image from the internet and place it right into the cell you've selected. Once you've checked to ensure the formula is entered correctly, press Enter on your keyboard. And there you have it. The image will now appear neatly inside the cell. By default, Google Sheets scales the image to fit perfectly within the dimensions of the cell. If the cell is too small or you want a better view of the image, you might consider adjusting the cell size. Simply click and drag the edges of the cell to resize it, and the image will adjust accordingly. And remember, if the image doesn't appear as expected, double-check the URL you've copied for any issues. It's crucial that the URL is direct and accessible. Occasionally, websites might restrict image access without proper permissions. But this is a quick fix by choosing another image or checking the site's permissions. That's it for today's tutorial. You now know how to easily place images into your Google Sheets, enhancing your spreadsheet presentations with some visual flair. Whether you're creating reports, planning documents, or just jazzing up your data, images can be a valuable addition. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.